How much man get them cough now and get no money off fight? Nothing actually a reap where him sow, the two box them. The clap where are the clap him in him face, like Never Brat say.
You know, may I tell you the God Almighty truth? Police boy, may I take your picture, may I video you? And if it was my blood clot controller that you fling off, we will spend how much money and pay for my things and you mash it up like that. May I look for you or your blood clot family. Let me tell you that straight.
Glabber, bad we cologne smell sweet. Clothes them not cheap at the latest beat. Yeah man, Jahchyld represent for Glabber TV. Out.
Pull up one TV and a Glabber TV. Today news. This is what we have in the bulletin. Pull up. You pull up, full up.
Party, we not invite them. Bustle up the car and the bike them. Make a stop, pick up couple item, oil and powder, house and your outside them. Panic a bad link on the bang of phone.
Welcome my people, welcome to Glabber Them TV. We have this clip here with this policeman kicking off the sound system, making it bad for Jamaican and dancehall. So we have the artist Jahchyld here expounding on what he saw.
Imagine now, sir, the police boy, I don't know. May I tell you the God Almighty truth? Police boy, may I take your picture, may I video you? And if it was my blood clot controller that you fling off, we will spend how much money and pay for my things and you mash it up like that. May I look for you or your blood clot family. Let me tell you that straight. Because guess my food that you stop in a batty boy.